Did somebody yank your chain too hard and now you need to put it back together? I'll show you how. First, we gotta take the lampshade off. Now we gotta take the bulb out. Now we gotta take the screws out. you thought. First we gotta unplug it. Now we gotta take the screws out. Now we gotta take the old piece of the chain out if it's still there on yours. Now we gotta put the new chain in, but don't forget to put it in the hole first. Then you have to mess with this. Put the ball in the crack. Once the ball's in the crack, put the chain through and test it. Testing is good. Now try really hard to put it together without taking the bottom apart like you should have in the first place to get more wire. Do it the wrong way some more because you're too proud to take it apart. Sometimes eventually, if you're persistent, if you do it the wrong way, you can still do it. Maybe we do it over here. Yes, like that. Now we did it the wrong way and it worked. Now we have to screw it together. First, put in the screw right here. Now put in the other two screws. Now put on the cover. Now put on the light bulb. Now put the lampshade on, but make sure you pretend you thought you knew you weren't supposed to take the bottom part to get the cord out. There's a knot down here you're supposed to undo and push the wire up, and then it's easier, but just pretend you didn't know that some more. And now we did it anyway, right? So now it's put together and we'll plug it in and we'll see if it works. Thanks for watching.